All right, I'm just gonna go over these very quickly because it takes too much space. All right, so we got, here are the current settings. All right, so we're gonna go to channel select. We are on channel select, denoted by the one blinking LED, the red LED. We're gonna go to band select. All right, we are band select, denoted by the two blinking LEDs. And here is supposed to be the startup menu, which is not, because it's denoting like it is on the first menu, which is channel select. And as instructed, I press and hold here for greater than 20 seconds to unlock power. But what it does, it just resets the VTX back to stock settings. Okay. And as you can see, it did nothing. That's it.